What's up guys? At this point sa buhay ko, hindi ko na alam ang ginagawa ko. We have here the Cadlodge Island Dreams. Buksan na natin. As you all know, nakapag-try na ako sa Cadlodge Island collection nila, which is yung Vanilla Juice. Sobrang solid niya guys. Projection, longevity, just wow. Sobrang na-miss ako sa performance ng Island. Kaya now, I'm gonna try one of their most talked about fragrance, which is ito. Same box feels.
Baliktad.
Wow. Just look at this beautiful bottle. So, tara, simulan na natin. Spray test na tayo. Grabe. So sa opening, you'll get that bright bergamot, ginger spice, and for me, very powerful yung grapefruit dito. Then as it dry downs, you'll get this musky undernotes. This one pala is a dupe of LV Symphony. Haven't tried the OG, kaya hindi ko pa kaya pag-compare. But I've watched some reviews naman, kaya binline buy ko pa rin to. So this is a very refreshing, clean, uplifting perfume. For me, sobrang okay to any time of the day. Sobrang citrusy, musky lang niya. I give this a 9.7 out of 10. So yan guys, another Middle Eastern fragrance added in my collection. So, sa mga nakapag-try na neto, comment down below naman kung ano yung performance. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Don't forget to like and follow for more fragrances like this. Ako nga pala si Only Frags. Peace out.